Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, open PowerPoint and pick a template or blank presentation so you don't waste time. Once opened, set slide size to 16, 9 for screens or 4, 3 for older projectors and save as a PPTX file right away so autosave can protect work. Next, use Home then Layout to choose a title or title and content slide. This gives structure. Make sure to name your file clearly, because consistent naming helps find versions when you iterate quickly. Now focus on content. Click placeholders and type headings and brief bullet points so viewers scan quickly. Once done, insert images or icons via Insert Pictures or Icons. Visuals support your point but avoid clutter. 1 to 2 visuals per slide works best. Then use format options to align and distribute objects evenly and group elements when they should move together. Make sure to apply consistent fonts and sizes so slides read as a set, which helps retention and polish. Finish by adding subtle transitions or animations. Keep them purposeful and test timing with slideshow play so pacing feels natural. Once satisfied, export via File Export to PDF for handouts or MP4 for video delivery, and check file size and compatibility with your playback device. Make sure to rehearse with Presenter View to confirm notes and timers. If formatting breaks on another computer, embed fonts or open in safe mode, which often resolves display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.